Hello and welcome everybody. NVIDIA stock on 26 November. So let's see what would happen in this stock step by step. If you are new to this video, don't forget to watch this video until the end, subscribe, like. Let's see what would happen. So according to NVIDIA stock price action today is going to be very good, or a lot of people to see that NVIDIA stock is going to be rising and going to have good popularity. So the thing is that's going to be also good to another stock, that the price that is going to be hit by this part or this part or this part has going to be a great effect to make an increase in momentum for the NVIDIA stock, because this is such a special NVIDIA stock advantage. And also if we wanted to see that part, it's going to be decrease, a simple decrease and increase, as what it happened here and also here. So also it is going to be here, so the price would go blow up and rise again. And let's say for NVIDIA stock, that NVIDIA stock would increase, make this number of the traders increase next days on 1 day update here. Okay, that's what can I explain on this video.